Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unbox 7 and welcome back to another exciting review for you guys. So in this review I am going to unbox this beautiful and wonderful smartwatch that is sent by Tansky, and I will show you guys how this watch is gonna work and what you can do with this amazing smartwatch. So I got this pink color. So I am just opening the seal. There is a plastic wrapping on the box and it's all sealed properly. So I'm just going to unbox this and I will show you how the watch is gonna work. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the bell icon to receive more notifications about my video. So here I unbox the watch for you guys, and look at this. The color is so beautiful because this color is my favorite color. So this is rose gold color, and we also got small warranty card. There is a QR code. You can just see the QR code and connect it with the app. So first I'm gonna show you the watch and we'll talk about the quality, and then I will show its functionality. This wristwatch is very convenient, very good, and the bands are made of silicone and are very comfortable and very good. So I just took off this screen protector and look at this amazing and shiny watch. The best feature and the best thing about this watch is nobody can tell this like this is not a regular Apple Watch, because it does like most of the good stuff that an Apple Watch can do. So here we have the charger. You can just put your watch on it and it's gonna charge. You don't have to plug it in, just put it on it like this and the watch is gonna work. I'm just doing it wrong, so I just did it like properly, and this is how it's gonna charge. So I did not connect it to the electricity, but because it is already charged, so we don't need to charge it right now. So there are some good points about this watch, so I am gonna tell you guys. So using this watch you can stay connected and stay healthy, because with Bluetooth connectivity you can easily make and receive your phone calls, receive text messages and social app notifications all from your wrist. So that's very good option and very convenient. You don't have to look over and over again on your phone. So just look at your watch and you will see all the notification and all the tracker notification from your watch. So I'm just gonna turn on the watch and see how it's gonna work. So there's beautiful hello on the screen, and I have to do some setup for this watch. So there is a like code on this watch. I'm just gonna connect it to the app. So I don't have app on my phone, so what I'm gonna do is I just took this small booklet, and there is option. I just read the booklet before using this watch. So I just took this booklet out of the box and then just scan the QR code, and it's saying that download the app. So there is the app for this watch. I'm just gonna download this app for you guys, and then I will connect this watch to the app and it will gonna work as my phone. So I will, when I connect this watch to the app and also with my Bluetooth, it will receive all the notifications and all the like app notification. You can also track your workout. There are some things you need to do, and you also need to make an account before using this watch. So I just followed all the instruction from the user manual, and I just did everything step by step, made an account and connect my phone to this like watch, and once it scanned the QR code from the watch, it's automatically connecting. So there is saying waiting for configuration. Once it's all done, then you can see everything on your watch. You can also change the watch face by going into the app, and there are many options you can do according to your own choice. So I just put the one that is like on the first option. I'm just setting it that one, and after that I'm gonna use it on my wrist. Once it's gonna like all set on my wrist, and then I will show you more details about this watch. If we talk about the battery life, so battery life is till 14 days, like for 2 weeks, so it's very good. I really like the battery, and this strap is really comfortable. You can adjust it according to your wrist size. There are more options. You can make a call, you can see the recent call, you can also like receive your messages, you can see your heart rate, your blood oxygen, and you can also add it like timer and alarms and more in this watch. So there are weather option as well. You can add according to your like choice. You can add as many as you want. So there are like lots and lots of option. It also can track your sleep, your workout, your activity, like whatnot. I cannot even mention like how many features in this watch. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you guys want to buy this one, I will give the link in my description box. You can go ahead and buy from there. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.